Good morning, chefs! The Best Baker Battle is finally here! And today, talented teams will be cooking up something special in kitchens all across town!
Special delivery.
We didn't order anything.
We brought you one last look at the trophy.
Take it in. This is the last look you'll ever get.
Yeah. Do you think they know it's a cooking competition or a losing competition?
Yeah. And we win every year.
Enjoy carrying the trophy while you still can.
We will, and when we win again, we'll be carrying another one.
Yeah. Peace.
The boys may have won every year in a row, but this year we have our secret weapon. This recipe belonged to our great-grandmother.
She won the Best Baker Battle with it years ago. Everyone wanted her recipe, but she kept it a secret.
So we make her cake and we finally beat the boys! Yes, let's beat those boys. It's all I've ever wanted. There's only one problem. She wrote the secret ingredients in riddles.
Good thing we aren't just cooks, we're detectives.
I'm born from blooms, but am no seed. 1,000 workers make what you need. In perfect chambers I remain, until I sweeten cake again.
1,000 workers?
Bees! The first secret ingredient is honey.
I'm held above, but open below. My fading green turns golden slow. Though age brings spots upon my skin, it only sweetens what's within.
Age spots?
The age spots sweeten what's within.
I got it! Bananas!
Oh, those kind of age spots.
Honey and bananas. That leaves only one final secret ingredient. A rough brown shell is all you see, but snowy treasure hides in me. I come from where the warm winds blow, crack me apart to find the snow.
Something that's brown, but with snow inside?
Maybe it will make more sense when we see it.
I'll leave great-grandma's recipe here where it's safe.
Let's go to Publix, find the secret ingredients, and try to solve the third riddle.
They have a secret family recipe.
So that's how they think they're gonna beat us.
Not if we make it first.
If it won before, then it can win again.
For us.
Yeah.
1,000 workers, ants!
Ants don't live in perfect chambers. Bees do. It's honey. The second one is bananas.
A rough brown shell is all you see. I know what that is.
Shouldn't you read the rest?
Nah, no need.
Now we have all 3 secret ingredients.
Well, close enough.
Now we just need the recipe. It's gone.
The boys.
Without it, we can't make the cake.
Yes, we can. I memorized it.
The entire recipe?
Every word, every measurement, every clue.
Then we still have a chance.
Let's start.
Wait!
What is it?
That's not cinnamon. It's taco seasoning.
The boys didn't just steal our recipe, they sabotaged our ingredients. Now we'll never finish in time.
Yes, we will. Everyone, take a job.
Welcome to the annual Best Baker Battle. The top baking teams in Florida are competing for the championship trophy.
The Clue Crew cooks present Great Grandma's Blue Ribbon Banana Cream Cheesecake. And the undefeated 4-time champions, the Mustache Men, present the Golden Tower of Victory.
Teams will be judged on creativity, presentation, and most importantly, taste. The Mustache Men have never been beaten, but will their winning streak end today?
Ladies and gentlemen, the judges have chosen their winner.
This year's Best Baker Battle champions are the Clue Crew Cooks.
So where did you guys find your snails?
Or what?
The snails, the final secret ingredient.
No. You put snails in your cake?
A rough brown shell is all you see. I know what that is.
Shouldn't you read the rest?
Nah, no need. We We may have taken winning a bit too far.
You think?
We're sorry.
For taking the recipe.
And the taco seasoning.
And for the banana.
So no cake?
We're detectives, not monsters.
I see why you won.
Does anyone want to try our cake? It's actually pretty good. Wait, no, the aftertaste was slow getting there.
Yeah.
That's a clue. That's a clue. Case closed by the Clue Crew.